I didn't realize it was 2 patties.
Whoa, so I guess there's 3 layers of bread here?
I honestly didn't realize it has 3 pieces of bread.
I did not know that it had an extra piece of bun. I probably eat at McDonald's once every 4 or 5 months.
I've maybe eaten at McDonald's 3 or 4 times in my life.
I never eat at McDonald's.
Especially after I watched Super Size Me, I never recovered from that.
Whenever I want fast food, my favorite fast food is Taco Bell.
I like Chick-fil-A.
I go to Wendy's, or now that I'm in New York, I definitely go to Shake Shack.
Chipotle is my #1 fast food.
I eat Chipotle more than I should.
Here's the box. It's actually bigger than I would have thought, but I guess it's named that for a reason.
It looks like 2 burgers stacked on top of each other, which I guess is very American.
Get a good grip on this 3-piece of bread thing.
Oh, it's really good.
It's good. I like it a lot.
The burger's really bland.
The sauce is kind of good. It's okay.
I was scared that it was gonna be too much to bite into with the 2 patties and the 3 buns.
Tastes I'm really tasting are the lettuce and the sauce.
Is there like horseradish in there? I don't know.
It is better than I expected.
Tastes like there's some salad dressing on it, maybe.
The beef is a little spongy.
Falling apart a little bit.
I don't see what the 3rd piece of bread is for.
I don't think I need the extra piece of bread.
This is like their big thing, right? At McDonald's, not the nuggets.
If I want a burger, I want a big, juicy, half-pound burger, not like a...
It didn't taste gross. I think I kind of imagine McDonald's is gross.
I would never order the Big Mac from McDonald's.
Yeah, I don't need to eat this ever again.
Maybe now that I know I like this one, it would be a go-to item.
I would go for a Shake Shack burger over this any day.